It's time for the SJRC F11s version 2 drone to be turned on. Latest application, SGRC Pro ID376MU. Automatic calibration is used when we take off in crowded places. Take off.
Drone terbang.
It doesn't fly straight. I point it to the right. The latest new application made by admin, SGRC Indonesia Group. Made by Amu Dirgantara, one of the admins of the SGRC Indonesia Group. I tried the color grading transition before and after. Let's see the results. The distance is already at 1,640 feet. Have entered the Mojalaban residential area. FVS is still running smoothly. The 3,280 feet equals 1,000 meters. D6,561 feet, 2 kilometers. Battery with a capacity of 2,500 milliamp hours can save 80% of the remaining battery. Wow, what a great application. Okay, I cut the video because we haven't planned to discuss the distance test yet. For return to home run, normally, like the previous application. Drones fly over thick morning fog covering residential areas and rice fields filmed in 4,000 drone video. The height of the clouds dropped drastically to an average of 115–120 meters. Foggy morning over some trees and a river shot by drone when using in 4030 FPS. Let's check the map in this application. The directional position of the drone is sideways. Because it depends on the drone's position when the GPS locks. Landing position. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it's useful. I came to that conclusion. The advantage of this application is that it can save battery.
Mendarat.
Landed in hand.
Baterai drone lemah.